Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear watcher, subscriber, hope you will be fine and in the high state of iman and health. After many days of absentees, I'm still back with you, and we are going to discuss our complete travel. It was my third vlog to Khunjrab Pass by some different glimpse and with different aspects. So I dedicate my this vlog to Hazur Qaid-e-Azam on the eve of 25th December, and it was started sharply on I would like to say on 25th of December from Lokwitsa, Islamabad, and we started our destination from particular and peak. So from Islamabad I visited, and first of all we started our journey, and from Islamabad we reached to Babusar top. It was in distance, if I want to calculate, it's 422 kilometers, and it takes 8 hours and 10 minutes. Then we started traveling after a bit rest of more than 5 to 6 hours, and we started and carried out to Gilgit, and it takes to 5 hours and 36 minutes, and we traveled I think so 200 and I think 70 kilometer or maybe 75 in between. So take some rest, and it was very obligative weather conditions, as you can see. And after this we visited, we move to Atabad, and then some sort of some very traditionals of Fairy Meadows, sorry, not Fairy Meadows, from Gilgit interchange, and then we reached on the by road, or we can say the road which led to Skardu and to Hunza. It takes more than 9 hours, and it takes more than 455 kilometers more. And from here some of our children were not fine, but some were very enthusiastic, and they were very, and here I noticed that I have missed, and what I have missed. You can see from my first selfie that I have more than 5 packs of cigarettes with me. So I forgot it all these, and on this occasion I lost my glasses, my chashma, where what you can which you can easily watch in my this photo shoot. And I also lost in this journey, and my Simran was minded a lot that we left our Simran near Gilgit, one of my old classmate, and we requested that please take care of my sweet Simran, my Mehran. I'm asking about Mehran. My Mehran, the nickname of my Mehran is Simran. So the vehicle you are watching in this clip, we use it particularly, and we started all the rest of the journey with this, and we reached Astor. Here you can see that Astor is 44 kilometer, Ramma 54 kilometer, Chilam 108 kilometer, and Burzil Pass 125 kilometer, Diosai 143, and Skardu 193. So here is, as you can see, the weather conditions and the the snow falling and all the impacts of the related, as you can see, particularly with me. And all these things happened to me, but I was lucky that I was not disturbed by this, because it was not my first vlog and it was not my first travelage. It was my third travelage, and I, as you can see, there is lot of weather creativity and activities. And then we reached the highest altitude ATM, the biggest achievement of Pakistan. And this is called National ATM. And that is, if you justify it, Khunjrab Pass has the highest automated teller machine in the world, and it's installed by National Bank of Pakistan. It is available 24 hours a day and 12 months a year. NBP has been awarded by Guinness World Record for the world's highest ATM at Khunjrab Pass. And this was our next destination, and it was the main destination. We traveled and we were and here you can see that Urumqi or Urumqi, that is, if I give you the exact figure, 1890 kilometer for Kashgar in Peking province of China, that is far from 420 kilometer. And Tashgor or Tashgorkan or Tashkorkan, both you can see, is 130 kilometer far, and that is the main point after Sost. And that is more, I think, 89 or 85 kilometer from Sost. So here is the China Gate, and you can see it particularly from China Gate. As you can see, what are the more things that we can understand. Khunjrab to Pirali 32 kilometer, Pirali to Tashgorkono 38 kilometer, and Tashgorkono to Kashgar to 91 kilometer, and then Kashgar to Urumqi 1500 kilometer, and then from Urumqi or Khunjrab to Beijing, it's 6921 kilometer. But as you are watching, that Khunjrab is 0 kilometer here. And this is the China Gate, this is the China part, this is the China way, or it is called our Great Chrysome Highway or KKH. And it was built, it is also a great wonder of world, and it is also Guinness Book of World Record must offer a special record to Pakistan and to Pak Army and to our Parliament on this great achievement and wonder. So you are watching Mr. Sushi, my who hired me for this all tour as a tourist guide. And you are watching, and I told you that where you transfer from here to father, and I left Mr. Sushi here. And Mr. Sushi and his family love me a lot, and they offer me and they dedicate me many prayers and along with many things. So it was my third travelage, and it was my third tour as a tourist operator. And this is my love China Gate, as you are watching, and the hustle bustle of the great. So dear watcher, dear subscriber, that's not a big deal to visit, and must visit the great phenomena of here, as you can see. So must visit. And now let me go now, and must subscribe Prof MA Raza, must subscribe Band Tourist, must subscribe Ana Batuta, or must subscribe Inqilab TV Pakistan. And bye bye, we will meet again in the next